Today is the first time I'm seeing MG Road not being very crowded. So last week was Valentine's week. My Valentine's Day was crazy. So today is Valentine's Day and I'm completely prepared for it. How prepared? I'll show you. See? I'm sorry. Yep, now I'm prepared. I forgot to clip the helmet on properly. It's a good sunny morning and I always like the weather. I mean, Bangalore is famous for its weather. The challenge of stopping here is I can't take this U-turn now because there is oncoming traffic and I cannot just go straight in. What is up with this formality sort of helmet? I think this guy is just wearing construction helmet. Okay, let me overtake all of them just in a minute. That hurt my balls. I hate pollution. Meanwhile, in Valentine's Day, it's a Mini Cooper. Looks like 3XO. Maybe smaller than that. This is the benefit of having an off-roader. God, I slammed my visor way too hard. My ears stopped working for a while. Wait, इतना बड़ा गड्ढा है यार. Seriously, on a main road. People say Indian drivers are the worst, like foreigners. I would say Indian drivers are the best. They can avoid anything on road. Somebody is just stopping for no reason. He's using his phone. This guy just changed lane without indicators. God, how many tires? The formality helmet. Oh, there are two formality helmets. 3 formality helmets. 4 formality helmets. See, and it will just stop. So 2 lanes are completely blocked by buses. What is... This is 1 liter TSI. Still looks so cool, right? Yeah, what completely ruined for me the design for Virtus and Salavia is the higher ground clearance. It's alright for Isuzu. Oh, X1 looks really nice. All of a sudden they showed up. This guy. Oh. Hold your breath and count. See, again, all of a sudden. That's why I should maintain like a lot of distance between me and him. This bike definitely needs a better set of tires. The challenge is for this bike, if you want to change the tires, there are very few options because it's an 18-inch rim. What I have right now at pedestrian, it's a 130 section. First of all, that's my biggest complaint. Why the heck does this bike has a 130 section tire? Because 130 section is not enough for this. So that was it that I had for today and Valentine's Day. See you all in the next one. Bye.